In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this UFO-shaped mesh by using grid fill and proportional editing. I would say there are at least 3 different methods to create this mesh. I have used a mesh circle, grid filled in edit mode, and used proportional editing to pull the vertex upward. After that, I mirrored the mesh on the Z-axis. We could use a sphere and scale it in the Z-axis like this to create a similar mesh. That's one way to model, but I prefer the grid fill method, because all the faces are quads. It's also difficult to create a shape seen on the left, by using a sphere. If you don't see mesh circle, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Grid fill is better, again, because spheres have triangular faces in the middle. I learned if I do this without expanding the outer edge loop, the shape would break. Did you notice how some faces were not affected by proportional editing? Four corners, that looks almost like triangles, will cause problems, unless we select and expand the edge loop further out. The unaffected corners are causing an issue like this. We could turn off merge, but the mesh won't look perfect this way. I'll quickly show you the outer edge loop expansion method to avoid the issues like this. This is how my original mesh was constructed. In edge selection mode, Shift and Alt click the outer edge loop like this. E to extrude, Enter to settle, and S to scale. Now we have an outer face loop that all look quads. That's how we work with the grid-filled mesh circle. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.